everyone, I'm going to show you how to disable Vanish Mode in Messenger. So if your Messenger chats keep disappearing, Vanish Mode is probably turned on. Here's how to disable it quickly. So first, open Messenger. Next, go to the chat where messages disappear. Now swipe up from the bottom of the chat screen. So release your finger when you see turn off Vanish Mode. So the screen should return to normal and messages will stop disappearing. You can also turn it off by tapping the person's name at the top of the chat. Then look for Vanish Mode in settings and just switch the toggle off. For example, this one, just turn it off. Now, if Vanish Mode keeps turning back on, what you can do is to update Messenger from the App Store. So go to App Store, type in Messenger, and just tap on Update. Next, restart your phone. You can also clear the app cache and make sure both people in the chat aren't re-enabling it. You can also click the person's name at the top and scroll down to Privacy and Support, then tap Disappearing Messages, and make sure you turn this off also. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.